music.
Hi everyone, you are all welcome back. In today's video we are making Asun recipe. Over here I have my goat meat. I marinated it overnight with only salt and seasoning cube. Making Asun, you don't need too much spices like curry or whatsoever. Now I'm going to open the goat meat. But first of all, I want to thank all our returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to watch our videos. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe to our channel. So I'm going to add some oil, vegetable oil here. As you can see, I am not using goat meat with skin. I can only lay my hand on this one, so don't be intimidated if you don't have if you can't get goat meat with the skin, okay? Make use of the one you can lay your hand on. All right, okay, I'm going to set it on my oven grill. Let me mention this: for typical Asun, you have to use barbecue grill. I'm going to use my hand to place all of them. So I'm going to grill it for 30 to 40 minutes in my oven. Okay, for the pepper, I'm going to be using 4 scotch bonnet pepper and 4 chili pepper with 1 onion. Like this. I'm going to blend it, roughly blend it with my food processor. So for garnishing, I'm going to be using 2 green bell pepper and 1 large red onion. Going to add in all right, I am done blending. This is the texture I'm looking for. So it's not a smooth paste, just roughly blended. Okay, look at it. This is the real texture. So I'm going to set it aside. Okay, now I'm cutting the bell pepper this way for garnishing. So that is basically it. We are going to cover it to cook for 5 to 8 minutes. Now 8 minutes later, I'm going to add in the blended scotch bonnet and chili pepper with the onion. Now I'm going to stir to combine.
Music.
At this point, I'm going to incorporate my green bell pepper as well as the onion. Now I'm going to mix everything together. Mix until everything is well combined. At this point, taste for salt. For me, I don't need salt here. Next, I'm going to add little oil like that, just a tiny bit. Everything is well combined. This is looking good already. So this is our asun. Asun is ready. Look at that. So that is it. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your love and support. If you are new here, please don't go without subscribing. Subscribe to our channel. Okay? Subscribe to our channel and turn on your notification bell. So that is it for today's recipe. If you love what you see, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Until I come your way next time, stay blessed and always be positive. Bye. You can serve your asun with rice like this. Look at that rice. This is special rice. And you can now add your asun by the side of it. This recipe is a must try. It's a nice combo with this type of rice. It looks so amazing. Look at that. The asun and the rice. Nice combo.